Dear faculty members, researchers, and students, thank you for submitting your abstracts in 4th International Conference on Applied Zoology 2021. As we have already shared the finalized schedule of online program of ECOS 2021, now we are sharing the finalized schedule of physical program of ECOS 2021 going to be held at Quaid-e-Azam University, Islamabad. Here it is complete schedule of inaugural ceremony, which will be held at Earth Science Auditorium at 10 o'clock. These are our distinguished guests who will join us during the inauguration ceremony of ECOS 2021 on 24th of November. Now I'm going to share the schedule of oral presentation sessions. Plenary session will start at 12 o'clock, in which our international keynote speakers will join us from Bulgaria, Turkey, and Sweden. And timing of each talk will be 10 to 15 minutes. After that, our national keynote speakers will join us from different institutes of Pakistan at 12:30. After plenary session, there will be first oral presentation session at 2:30. First parallel session will include talk from the fields of food science, natural products, microbiology, and nanotechnology. And its timing will be from 2:30 to 4 p.m. Second parallel session will include talk from the fields of physiology, cell and molecular biology, and cancer biology, and its timing will be same as 2:30 to 4 p.m. Third parallel session will include talk from the fields of ecology, biodiversity, environmental biology, wildlife, and neurological sciences, and its timing will be same as 2:30 to 4 p.m. Now I feel delightful to share that Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition, GAIN, is going to conduct an advocacy seminar on improving access to safe and nutritious food at Earth Science Auditorium on 24th of November. And its timing will be from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Before proceeding next, it would be my privilege to briefly introduce GAIN. The Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition is a Swiss-based foundation launched at United Nations in 2002 to tackle the human suffering caused by malnutrition. The organizing committee of ECOS 2021 truly acknowledge Chaudhry Faiz Rasool, Senior Policy Advisor, GAIN Pakistan, for conducting this advocacy seminar. As we all know that there were many issues which contributed towards the prevalence of pandemic of COVID-19. Among all other issues, malnutrition proved to be one of the prominent cause of this prevalence. We are thankful to the GAIN for providing us this opportunity to have a deep insight on safe and nutritious food, which is a true need of the time. Moving forward, there will be second oral presentation session that will start at 4 o'clock. First parallel session will include talk from the fields of fisheries, entomology, and pest management, and its timing will be from 4 o'clock to 5:30 p.m. Within the same timings, there will be second parallel session, and it will include talk from the fields of neurosciences and epidemiology. Third parallel session will include talk from the fields of biotechnology, biochemistry, bioinformatics, genetics, and toxicology, and its timing will be same as 4 o'clock to 5:30 p.m. Here are some important announcements for all the participants of poster presentation competition. All the participants are advised to display their posters in the morning at 9:30 a.m. at the given venue, and they should inform the organizing society as well. Evaluation of these posters will be done by the evaluation committee at 5:30 p.m. At that time, all the participants should be present there along with their posters to present and explain their posters. And those who will not be present during the allocated time will not be considered as part of the competition. The announcement of winners of poster presentation competition will be done in closing ceremony. So make sure your presence. Now I'm going to share the schedule of day 2 of ECOS 2021. On 25th of November, third oral presentation session will start at 8 o'clock. First parallel session will include talk from the fields of molecular biology, cancer biology, natural products, ecology, entomology, fisheries, and toxicology. And timings of this session will be from 8 o'clock to 9:30 a.m. Within the same timings, there will be second parallel session, which will include talks from the fields of wildlife, evolution, environmental biology, epidemiology, and microbiology. After that, plenary session will start at 9:30, in which our international keynote speakers will join us from UK, Kazakhstan, and Iran. At 10 o'clock, our national keynote speakers will join us from various institutes of the country. Finally, here it is a detailed schedule of closing ceremony, which will start at 11:40. Further, if you have any queries and questions, you may contact focal person AZSP, Dr. Azhar Rasool. Thank you for being part of 4th International Conference on Applied Zoology 2021. Stay tuned, stay connected with AZSP.